Alright, so first thing we do before we install the Kelly SHU is to obviously take the head off. So I did some math and found out online how long to cut the rubber. This little rubber they give you. You want it half of the distance to the actual shoe. So this is a 26-inch drum. So if we have it in the middle, I want to cut this about 5.5 inches long. Alright, so I got the front head off. Now I'm going to cut 6 of these rubber kind of shock mount system things. So I got 5.5 inches marked, which is totally average. And then I'm just going to cut it. Alright, there you go. Just do that 5 more times. Alright, so what you're going to do next is you're going to take one of the screws off the lugs like I did there. And then what you're going to do, put one screw on one side of the strap, and then take the other side and feed it through. Like that, and now you have a loop that's going to hook, and just simply screw that back on to the drum. So you're going to do that 6 times in whichever pattern you find desirable for whichever mic you have. There are different ways, different configurations. You can find all that on Kelly SHU's website. Alright, so as you can see right there, I got all these straps, on there nice and secure. Got them all facing the right way, because I want the Kelly SHU as close to the front head as possible to give it some distance from the beater. This is only a 14-inch deep drum, so I want as much room in there as possible. Alright, so now I'm going to show you how to set up the straps. Or not straps, sorry, the hooks. So you're going to take your rubber, you're going to take your hook, and you're just going to slide it up in there. Make sure it goes all the way up there. And then you're going to take this, what they call a collar. Slide it in there, and then... Alright, so once you got the collar up there, this does take some pressure. Alright, there you go. Now that is not moving anywhere. Alright, so now we're actually going to mount the shock mount. There we go. Party time, there we go. Nice and secure, doesn't look like it's never gonna move that much. It might move a little bit from the beater, but there we go. Nice and sexy. Sweet. Alright, so the next part you're gonna see is I'm actually terrified about this. I'm gonna drill a hole kind of right there so that I can have the cable coming over here, because I want to put a head with no porthole in there. Alright, here it is, the part that terrifies me. I think I might throw up, but I got a mop. Alright, here we go. I really like this drum set. Oh God. Ooh, well that was fucking terrifying. Oh my God. Yeah, I think I just need to get some sandpaper and clean it up. Alright, well folks, here it is. There's the inside. Got the Kelly SHU all nice and mounted. I made sure this wouldn't hit the front head. It's got some nice clearance. There's the internals. There it is. All nice and tidy. So yeah. If you guys want to get a Kelly SHU, go ahead. It's pretty easy. And you don't have to do this crazy miking thing, but I'm a maniac, so that's what I did. But yeah, you don't have to do that if you just want to do a simple Kelly SHU. You run it through the hole. You can do that. Pretty easy, pretty snazzy. Alright, have a good day.